In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy a domain from Hostinger step by step. If you're starting a website, launching a blog, building an online store, or creating a brand, the first thing you need is a domain name. Your domain is the address people type into their browser to find your website, and Hostinger makes the process of buying and managing domains very simple, even if you're a complete beginner. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process, from logging into Hostinger all the way to completing your domain registration. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to secure the domain name you want in just a few minutes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first step is to log in to your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Then sign in using the email and password you used when creating your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Hostinger dashboard, also called hPanel. This is where you manage your hosting, domains, and websites. On the left side of the dashboard, you'll see a navigation menu. Look for the section called Domains and click on it. This area allows you to manage all domain-related settings, including purchasing new domains, connecting domains to websites, and updating DNS settings. After you click Domains, look for the drop-down option that says Get a New Domain and click it. This will open the domain search tool inside Hostinger. Now you'll see a search bar where you can enter the domain name you want to buy. Go ahead and type the name you're looking for. For example, it could be your brand name, your business name, or the name of your blog. After typing your desired domain, click the search button. Hostinger will now check if that domain name is available. If the domain is available, you'll see it listed along with different domain extensions like .com, .net, .org, and many others. The .com version is usually the most popular choice, but depending on your project, you might choose another extension that fits your brand better. Once you find the domain you want, click the Add to Cart button next to it. This will add the domain to your checkout. After adding it to your cart, Hostinger will ask you to choose the registration period. This means how long you want to own the domain before renewing it. Most people select 1 year, but you can also register the domain for multiple years if you want to secure it long-term. After selecting the registration period, continue to the checkout page. Here you'll review your order and complete the payment. Hostinger usually supports several payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and other online payment options depending on your region. Once the payment is completed, there is one more important step. You'll need to enter your domain contact details. This includes information like your name, email address, phone number, and address. These details are required for domain registration records. After filling in your contact information, click Finish Registration. Hostinger will now process the registration and secure the domain under your account. Within a few moments, your new domain will appear in the domain section of your Hostinger dashboard. From there, you can connect it to a website, create a professional email address, or manage DNS settings depending on what you want to build next. And that's it. That's exactly how to buy a domain from Hostinger step by step. As you can see, the process is very quick and beginner-friendly once you know where everything is located inside the dashboard. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos on website building, hosting, and online tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.